Today, we're diving into huge AI updates shaking things up. DeepSeek's massive new reasoning model that's challenging the big players, Anthropic's Claude 4 models that can remember and work on tasks for hours, Google's AI-powered shopping tools that might just change how you buy stuff forever, and Meta's bold restructuring to bring AI right into the apps billions use every day. This is the AI future landing right now, and it's wild. Let's break it all down. So first off, DeepSeek just dropped something that's seriously turning heads, the new version of their R1 reasoning model. And no joke, this thing is stacked with 685 billion parameters. That's even more than GPT-4. But what really makes it special isn't just size, it's how this model thinks. While most AIs are built to spit out creative content or answer basic questions, R1 is built to reason, to actually think through complex problems step by step. It's like having an AI that's not just smart, but methodical. Say you asked it to help plan a startup strategy, analyze your competition, and then optimize your pitch for investors. It'll walk you through it with logic, not just fluff. It follows instructions like a pro and handles multi-part tasks without losing track halfway through. Basically, if GPT-4 is your super chatty brainstorm buddy, DeepSeek R1 is that one friend who's insanely good at chess and group projects. And what's even more interesting is that DeepSeek is coming out of China, showing that the global AI race isn't just between Silicon Valley giants anymore. We're entering a world where reasoning-first AI could start showing up in research labs, enterprise tools, or even education. It's not just about being flashy, it's about being reliable. Now, speaking of reliability and next-level intelligence, Anthropic just launched their newest family of Claude 4 models, and wow, they've seriously leveled up. These models, Claude Opus and Claude Sonnet, aren't just more powerful, they're more thoughtful. Like, you can actually feel the difference when you chat with them. The responses are smoother, deeper, and just smarter. But here's the real magic. Claude 4 now supports long, continuous tasks. You know how older models would forget what you were talking about halfway through a complex job? Claude doesn't. It can work on something for hours, keep track of all the context, and remember the important stuff. Imagine you're building a website and need help with code, content, design tweaks, and SEO. Claude 4 can help from start to finish without needing constant reminders. And the tone? Way more natural. Chatting with Claude now feels less like using a tool and more like bouncing ideas off a very helpful, slightly nerdy friend. Honestly, it's kind of addicting how smooth it is. Oh, quick pause. If you're loving these updates so far, go ahead and tap that like button and hit subscribe. I break down this kind of AI news every week, so if you want to stay ahead of the curve without getting buried in technical jargon, you're in the right place. Alright, now let's shift from models to malls, well, digital ones. Because Google just added some seriously cool AI features to shopping, and they might save you a ton of time and money. You know how online shopping can be a total guessing game? Like, is that jacket actually going to fit like it does in the photos, or will it show up looking like a potato sack? Well, Google's new AI-powered shopping tools are here to help with that. They rolled out a virtual try-on experience where you can actually see how clothes look on different body types in 3D. Not just static images, but a full-on rotation. You can zoom in, spin around, and see how a dress or a hoodie falls on someone shaped more like you. It's like trying stuff on in a store, but without ever leaving your room. And it doesn't stop there. Google also added smarter price tracking. Now, AI analyzes shopping trends, seasonal patterns, and even your own habits to predict when prices are likely to drop. It's like having a personal deal hunting assistant who knows you've been eyeing that camera for weeks and sends you a heads up when it's about to go on sale. Honestly, it's kind of dangerous how easy it is to find the perfect time to buy. And finally, Meta. Yep, Zuckerberg's team is back in the headlines, but this time not for a new headset or Threads update. Meta is doing something big behind the scenes. They're restructuring their entire AI operation. And it's not just a reshuffle, it's a full-on strategy shift. They're unifying their research, product, and infrastructure teams to move faster, collaborate better, and actually get cutting-edge AI into the hands of users faster. Why now? Because while OpenAI and Google have been rolling out headline-grabbing models, Meta's kind of been trailing in the public eye. But they've got the Llama models, they've got world-class researchers, and here's the kicker. They've got platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp that billions of people use every day. So what Meta's doing now is tightening the screws, connecting the dots, and trying to become the company that puts powerful AI right into the flow of your daily life. Imagine Instagram DMs that auto-rewrite your posts in better tone, WhatsApp that suggests perfect replies, or even an AI that helps you manage group chats like a pro. It's not far off, and Meta's making the moves to make it real. When you step back and look at all this, DeepSeek pushing reasoning, Anthropic pushing memory and clarity, Google pushing AI into shopping, and Meta pushing AI into daily communication, it's pretty clear we're in the thick of the next AI wave. One where models aren't just impressive demos, they're becoming part of how we live, shop, talk, and build. And the pace? It's only accelerating. This week alone has been insane, and there's no sign of slowing down. If this got you excited about where AI is headed, make sure to hit like and subscribe and drop a comment. What update blew your mind the most? I read every single one, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious.